Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a basic 3D model in Autodesk Inventor software or Autodesk Inventor software practice. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the base. So we'll select the top view, the exit view, rotate, and here we'll take the center point slot. Select the center point and make a slot profile and make one more slot over here. Okay. Now here go to dimension, define this slot center at 180 mm and the radius here will be of 30 mm. Okay, for the next slot go to vertical constraint, select the center point, select the center point, so this will be vertically aligned. Now go to equal constraint, select this radius, select this center and select this center. Okay, now go to dimension, select this outer and select this outer. Here give the dimension as 280 mm. Okay, now take the circle command, at this center point make a circle of diameter 30 and similarly we will make other circles. Okay, at every point. Now go to equal constraint, select the circle, press Ctrl, select all the other 3 circles one by one, so they will be equal to 30 mm. Now finish sketch. Now take the extrude command, select this profile, and here take extrude distance as 15 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now here go to part 1. We have completed this bottom portion. Now we will construct this pipe profile. Go to part 2, select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command, make one circle here of diameter 110, from same center point make diameter 80. Now go to coincident, select this point and select the circle, go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select this base. Okay, now go to line command, or you can take the 2-point rectangle, make a 2-point rectangle here, go to dimension, take a width here of 20 mm. Okay, go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center point. Okay, now go to dimension, define this height here as 45 and from base, this base will be at 80 mm. Okay, so this is just for cutting profile from here, so this is just a reference. Go to trim this middle profile. Now escape. Now here select this, select this, select this complete profile, make it a construction geometry. Okay, select this also, make it construction. Now go to the line command and here make one line profile, joining till here. Go to dimension, define this dimension here as 50 mm. Okay, now escape. Now we will trim this upper profile also. Go to trim this profile, trim this profile. Okay, now escape. Now go to line, only join the line till this point and here also till this point. Okay, escape. Now go to trim this middle portion. Okay, escape. Go to dimension, define this as 15, so both sides this will be 15 mm. So this is crucial, you can mark all the dimensions. Now finish sketch, go to extrude command, we will extrude this profile, flip the direction, here take join, rotate the profile, and from here we will take 2 and we will select this end face. Okay, till here this profile will be created. Here we have taken join, press OK. Now rotate the profile, Now here we are going to make these hook profiles. So we'll select this inner face, go to create sketch, and now take the rectangle command and take 2-point center rectangle. Make a rectangle profile over here, go to dimension, and here select the center point and select this edge. So this will be 70 mm. Okay. Now select this top and select this bottom profile. So this will be at a distance of 135 mm. Okay. The width here will be of 60 mm. Okay. Now go to the circle command. Make a circle profile over here of diameter 30. And to make it a round profile, take the arc command. Take 3-point arc. Select this point. Select this point and make one arc. Okay. Now escape. Select this line. Make it a construction geometry. So this will be the profile. Now go to the line command and make a center line over here. Okay, straight center line. Escape. Select this line, make it a construction geometry. Now take the mirror command, select this complete profile, go to mirror line, select this line, apply and done. Okay. Now finish sketch and here go to extrude, select this profile, select this profile. So it is coming inside. So we'll flip the direction and we are taking a distance of 15 mm. Here we are taking join and press OK. Okay. Now here take the mirror command, select extrude 3, go to mirror plane, go to origin and we will select the YZ plane. So the profile will be constructed here. Now press OK. Now the last we will give the fillet, go to fillet, take a fillet radius here of 10 mm, go to edge selection, select this edge, rotate, select this edge and select this edge. Now press OK, go to home. Now we will give the appearance from here. We will select the yellow color. So we will select the canary. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.